So just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, forming a decent amount of resistance here. This macro resistance here come up another tag into the top of the local range, along with this resistance trend line that we're forming here, as you can see. Overall, Vechain right now in a bit of a weird spot, just like a lot of cryptos are. You can see quite clearly here that Vechain has got this higher high, higher low situation going on. Was looking reasonably good for a bull market up like this, back towards the all-time high, but as you can see, we've got the Trump pump and the tariff dump at the start of the year, and as a result of that, a lot of altcoins right now very much in a range like this and trying to figure out where they're going next. You can see quite clearly here on the charts that Vechain right now come down into a range, clearly define the highs and the lows multiple times, and now are coiling very tightly in the middle of the range in a smaller area here, as you can see, which I've also highlighted. Right now altcoins are in a bit of a weird spot because Bitcoin's retracing, but Ethereum has tagged into a new all-time high and looking like it wants to run. So we're in a bit of a strange position here where we don't know which direction the market is going to go for the most part, retracing back down to the bottom of the range over the past few days. You can see Bitcoin here looking like it's going to start retracing down towards this 100k area in my opinion, whilst Ethereum remains near its all-time high. Obviously, if this is the case, we're probably going to be seeing Vechain having a little bit of a rollover if Bitcoin continues down. Might lose this range low resistance, or at the very least come down to this area here. But right now, I think Ethereum is probably going to be leading the way for Vechain, and if Ethereum is allowed to move, we're going to be looking at having nice moves to the upside pretty soon, in my opinion, for not just Vechain but a lot of other cryptos in the altcoin space, because they are, for the most part, coiling up into this very tight range at the minute. And I think we're probably going to get a decent move in either direction soon. I think with Ethereum close to all-time highs, we could be looking at some final accumulation before some decent moves to the upside for the altcoin space.